Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited to be teaming up with FabFitFun as a FabFitFun partner, and I'm going to be unboxing the summer box. And I just want to tell you that it is seriously the most amazing box I've gotten from FabFitFun so far. If you like my video and want to get this box, you can click on the link below and you can use one of my codes. They're either BEACHBABE, Vacation 10, or HEATWAVE to get 10% off your first box. It is the best box and you are definitely going to want to get it, so don't forget to click on the link below and to subscribe to my channel and to give this video a thumbs up. So I have the box right here on my lap, if you can see. So I'm opening it up right now. So it always has this little newspaper. It explains everything that's in the box. This one's nice and pretty for summer. It talks about all the products, and I'm just going to get started though and go through the products because I can't wait any longer. A beach towel. It says Summer and Rose. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up, take a look. Make your own sunshine beach towel, and it actually feels like a blanket also, so I'm wondering if it's just a really soft or like microfiber, it almost feels like. So it looks like this box is equipped with everything I need to go to the beach. I think they have a couple different color towels, and you may be able to pick in the email depending on how soon you get your box. It actually has also in the magazine 15% off your entire order from Summer and Rose if you want to use the code VIBES15, and they have a little photo of a girl with the very cute towel in there. So feel free to use that code if you want to get one of these towels also. So the next thing I'm going to open is what looks like a sunscreen to go with my towel from Kula. And I've actually never used this brand, but I see influencers using it all the time. It's organic sunscreen, so that's always really good. I've been trying to use everything possible organic that I could. This is white tea, SPF 50 Sport. It also has moisturizer. I'm just going to open it up. That smells really beachy, really good. You're gonna like this. And it looks like it's full size. Like, I love everything that comes in this box because it's actually regular size, so I can not only sample it but actually have my whole first bottle basically for what I call free, because if I spend, what do you spend, $50, and then it's really only $40 if you use a code, which like I said my codes are below, then you can have a full size product. The entire first one is basically free. It's included in the box. I just like to go through the ingredients to see, since it does say it's organic, see what exactly it is made out of. There's some orange fruit extract in there, sunflower, chia seed oil, and it's certified organic, so that is super important. Anyone these days doesn't even want to use anything with chemicals anymore, so I would invest in the sunscreen. Plus it's SPF 50 and waterproof, so you should reapply it very often, maybe every hour at the most, maybe 45 minutes. It's also vegan and gluten-free, so why not get this healthy, perfect sunscreen. I'm kind of freaking out about this. What looks like to be an entire Tarte palette in this box is so amazing. This is literally the best box ever. So, Pro Glow. Oh my gosh. That is literally the most beautiful palette I've ever seen. And again, this says it is formulated without parabens. I always like to look for the natural products, or at least things that aren't tested on animals. More skincare products are safer for your skin as opposed to makeup, I think, at this time, but I'm still waiting for more makeup brands to be organic and all natural. This is literally a full palette. It looks like this is a little tray. And I actually have a funny story about this. So if you ever watch The Bachelor, when they always put the rose on the table when Chris Harrison walks in, and he either wants to put down the first impression rose or a rose for the whole night that's going to be given out to someone, he always has this one plate. I found out that it's from Anthropologie, I'm pretty sure. It's so cute. It's just like this, except it has like rigid edges. I think it's a stone. This is close enough, so no, I don't have to get it. It has a gold edge and it's marble. It says it's from Pier 1, and I'm definitely going to use it as like a little dish in my room to put knickknacks, extra jewelry that I'm not wearing that I just need to throw in there for a minute or anything like that. But it's definitely in right now because Chris Harrison said so. Okay, so this that I just found in my box, I am so, literally so excited about. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, if it's Foreo or Foreo. It helps you clean your face. It basically tells you when to move on to the next area of your face, and there's also an app that goes with it. It tells you to use it 1 to 2 times per week and see how your skin reacts, and I totally agree with that because I always like to try new products, but a lot of the time I have sensitive skin and Sometimes when you're younger, you don't always want to put all this stuff on your skin right away because then it'll actually make you break out because your skin's irritated. So I do and could imagine that this would irritate your skin if you do it 10 times a day, or if you even just do it every day for 7 days in a row, only because you're not used to it. So I would start out just doing it 1 to 2 times and then see how it turns out. And even if you start breaking out, just give it a couple days break. You might be able to work through it. Just let your skin rest and then you'll eventually get used to it. And I think the main focus of this is that it's silicone, so it's a different way of getting into your skin. And in this magazine, they recommend to use it 1 minute in the morning and 1 minute at night once you work up to it. Okay, so next I have, it looks like a little wristlet wallet, so perfect size for all your cards or a little bit of money. A lot of celebrities now are using really tiny bags when they go out, if you see in the tabloids or anything like that. So if you want to hop on the bandwagon, then you can use one of your items from your FabFitFun box. Okay, you guys know that I love skincare products, so this is a papaya enzyme peel. It says that you should keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes and that it will feel like a heavy cream, and then you can rinse it off, and I'm sure it makes your face feel tight and refreshed. It says it leaves your skin soft and radiant, so who doesn't want to feel like that? I would actually recommend using this after you exfoliate with the Foreo to do a peel afterwards, and again, your skin may break out at first if you do this all the time, so definitely be careful. But I would recommend trying this afterwards. After you exfoliate and do a peel, your skin will be in really good shape if you want to have a skincare night or a girls night and just do some type of face mask. Okay, so sadly I think we are at the last item in my box, but again, like literally look how big this is, the size of my hand, even bigger than the size of my hand. This is totally full size, so that is so awesome. I work out all the time. I try to work out 6 days a week, sometimes 7. Sometimes I don't always get around to 7, and I try to do maybe 5. But this is perfect because I always get so sore because I like to do weights and then cardio. Every other day I rotate them. And this is De-Stress Muscle Gel Aromatherapy Associates. And I can already smell it when I open it. It smells like lavender. You put it on your overworked muscles and joints, and it helps soothe your muscles. It even says a tip that you can use it for tension headaches if you're sitting at your desk or anything like that. I would prefer to put this on right after my workout, and then I'll shower afterwards because I don't like having gel and stuff on me, but I definitely would use it right after my workout to kind of soothe the pain and the soreness and hopefully prevent it too. If you are interested in getting a box too, then definitely click on my link below and use one of the codes that I have listed. And thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.